Welcome to our channel. Today we how to budget with the Bank of Tampa, complete guide step by step clearly. Begin by assessing your current financial situation. Gather all your financial statements, including income, expenses, and debts. Next, identify your sources of income. List all monthly earnings, including salaries, freelance work, and other income streams. Now, categorize your expenses into fixed and variable costs. Fixed costs include rent or mortgage, utilities, and insurance. Variable costs encompass groceries, entertainment, and discretionary spending. Determine a manageable budgeting timeframe, such as monthly or bi-weekly. Use budgeting tools or apps provided by the Bank of Tampa for ease of tracking. Create a budget spreadsheet to visualize your income versus expenses. Allocate your income to various categories based on necessity and priority. Be sure to set aside funds for savings and an emergency fund. Monitor your spending regularly to ensure you stay within your budget. Make adjustments as needed if you notice overspending in certain categories. Review your budget at the end of each budgeting period. Analyze what worked well and what areas need improvement. Consider consulting with a financial advisor at the Bank of Tampa for personalized assistance. Implement any changes to optimize your budget for the following period. Keep your financial goals in mind as you proceed with your budgeting journey. Staying disciplined and adaptable is key to successful budgeting. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.